Welcome to this tutorial on how to read the Bible chapter every day and listen to song on Spotify using the Notion app in the month of May. Let's get started. First, download the Notion app on your phone and laptop as per the instruction provided. Once you are loaded and registered on the app, you will find the Daily Bible Reading page. The Daily Bible Reading page is designed to guide you through daily Bible reading from Monday to Sunday in the month of May. The chapters to be read every week are provided for you. Right before we go into the chapter to be read every week, which being provided for you, we can click on the start day. When you click on the start day, here you are on the morning page where you can click here to indicate where you are. If you are at home or at work, you can click anywhere. You just click where you are at home, listen to the Bible chapter. Right. On the status to indicate whether you are in progress or you are not started or you are done with it. Right, as you come to the main page, you click on the chapter of the book. You come to this page, you can click on this week. Right, the Daily Bible Reading page is designed to guide you through daily Bible reading from Monday to Sunday in the month of May. The chapter to be read every week are provided for you. Each day, click on the chapter on the book in the Bible to be read for that day. The chapter will be displayed on your screen and take you to the online Bible. You can read on the online Bible, or if you are busy or you are at work, you can listen to audio.
The Book of Genesis, Chapter 1. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light."
While you're reading, you can take notes on the provided note page in the app. Here on the note page, you can write messages or insight or thoughts that come to your mind as you read. This will help you remember what you have read and meditate on it throughout the day. As you read, you can listen to Christian songs on Spotify. You click on it. Search for and listen to songs that help you focus on God's word and worship Him. The daily reading of the Bible page also provide you with prayer points to help you pray as you read and meditate on God's word. As you can see, you can click on any prayer point that you want to pray about and meditate on God's word. You can customize the page by adding your own notes or highlighting important verses in the chapter. At the end of the month, you would have completed reading the selected chapter of the Bible, and you have a record of your notes, messages, and prayers. By following these simple steps, you can use the daily Bible reading page to deepen your understanding of God's Word and meditate on it daily and draw closer to Him through prayer and worship. Thank you for using the daily Bible reading, May edition. We hope you find it helpful and insightful in your daily reading and meditation on God's Word. If you enjoy using the Notion page, we will love to hear your feedback and suggestions for improvement. Please feel free to rate and comment on the page so that we can make it even better for you in the next month. Thank you again for your support. We look forward to helping you grow closer to God through His Word.